Hello everybody, it's Nora with time number 4, crafting with Nora. I got some unboxings, baggings. Yes, I pre-opened them. These are from Momo Art Store. I got it off of AliExpress. We are going to open both of them. We are going to check out diamonds and everything. And I will tell you the prices when I bought them. I do not know if they are still available. And if they are, cool. If not, then I'm sorry. This one is, I'm going to take this and show you this picture, maybe. If you can see it, oops. That is the picture. It is a 40 by 30. It's got 34 colors. And at the time of purchase, it was $7.90. I ordered it 3/13 of 2022. I received it last month, 4/6 of 2022. I'm getting my scissors, maybe. Where'd my little scissors go? Oh, I know where they are. Oh, crud. Okay. That's alright. I will. Ooh, it's bent. Ooh, I hope I can get it undone. Let's see. Of course. Everything has got to be hard. I thought I had everything over here, but I guess I didn't. We're going to take a look at the canvas first. I'm just unwrapping it. Sorry for the noise. So we're going to look at the kits, or the pulls, maybe. Okay, you get a pen with a 4-placer, I think, and a single placer with a grippy. Little grippy. I like those grippies. A pair of sharp tweezers. Those are sharp. This is a square kit. A nice piece of wax. What number is this? It doesn't say. Another placer. I think that's like a 7 or 10 placer. A little tray with a pour spout. And a bigger tray. That's what we get in our tool kit. Our cool kit. Our cool kit. Okay, I can't talk. And we did get tape on this, so I'm going to use my tweezers so I can get the tape off, because my scissors are across the room and I don't feel like stopping the video and restarting the video to go get them. So very gently, very carefully, I'm trying to at least poke a hole in this. There we go. So I can get it off. Okay. Okay. Unrolling it. Oh, wow. I should have undone this a heck of a lot sooner. If you hear any barking or like puppy barking, I have a puppy and he is a terror. He is running around here already driving me batty. Okay, so pull up a corner. Let's see, pull up a corner. So it'll, Jake, go lay down, please. Pull up a corner. And one thing I forgot to say is make sure you rub down the corners so that way you don't bring up the double-sided adhesive. Go slow, but not so slow. You want to go slow enough that you don't rip the paper. This just loosens the rolling because they rolled it on a foam roller. And let's see, I'm gonna bring you over here so you can see the drill field. Sorry about the shadows. Then you just lay it back down if the other side doesn't come up on you. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing good. Here it's not too bad. I'm in Texas. The weather's gorgeous. It's not really hot, but it's not really cold. It's nice out. It's what I would call like an Indian summer. It's not real hot, but it's not real cold. It's comfortable. Let's just say that. There we go. It's comfortable. Now, when I test the adhesive, I normally don't just go to the sides because sometimes the sides are really good. I normally go like in the middle and make sure. But there are companies that, if you see that the adhesive has, or the cover, the plastic or the paper cover has come up, you're going to want to test all over the canvas to make sure that it, somehow, to make sure that the glue has adhered. And has not, has not come up. I hope everybody had a good Easter last weekend. I didn't really do anything. My family isn't here. My children are up in Ohio. My grandchildren are up there. So I really didn't do anything. I have friends, but I don't have any I have friends, but all my friends are pretty far away from me. There's one that lives not too far away, but unfortunately we kind of drifted apart. I don't know why exactly. Maybe we're both married and we just have other things that are more important. And we have an escapee. There is one solitary diamond. So now what I do is I take all the diamonds out. Oh, we got a couple of them. I see. Yeah, we got a couple diamonds that are trying to escape. Jake! Okay. And normally I will take my extra key that they send, because they only do one side of your diamond painting with the key, and they send you a paper key. Normally what I do with the paper key is I run it through my Xyron sticker maker. I'll cut it down and then run it through my Xyron sticker maker, so that way I can make stickers for my containers. Right now, all I'm doing is making sure that the bags are sealed, because we did have some loose diamonds. I don't know if they all go to this one or if they happen to go to another one that was made about the same time. And when I find a diamond that's outside of the bag that's the same color as the bag, I normally just open up the bag and let it slide back in. And we'll go through the colors here in a second. I just want to make sure that these baggies are sealed. Like I said, I hope everybody had a good Easter. Hopefully you got to go see family, or family came and saw you. If not, maybe... What the heck? Why is this? Oh, that's why. Oh, I'm trying to pick up a diamond that's not even outside of a bag. Oh, that's great. Oh, there's a diamond. Yeah, I am working on 3 diamond paintings right now. One I started a while ago, like about a month ago, for my whip-in chat, but I ran into an issue, and that issue was that a couple of the symbols were mismarked. They had... The color on the key was not the color on the painting, nor was it the color... Well, no. The color on the key was not the color that was on the canvas. And yeah, that happens, but most of the time they do the right canvas numbers and things like that, or colors and stuff like that. So sorry about that. Let's go through this. Now see, some of these will say how many bags you're supposed to have. but some of them don't. This one does not. It just says quantity of the diamonds. So I don't know exactly. I'm going to pause you. I'm going to go through these and then I will come back with them all in order and then show you the diamonds. Okay, be back. Okay, I am back. I got them all sorted. I went through them all. And there are our colors. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. I got our colors. Sorry about the glare. It's kind of gloomy outside, so I got as many lights on as I possibly can in my living room. So, yes, this is the diamond painting that I got on 4/6 of 2022. Momo Art Factory Store off of AliExpress. I ordered it, like I said, on 3/13 of 2022 and received it on 4/6 of 2022 and I paid $7.90 for this. So this is this one. I'm going to bag up these diamonds. Matter of fact, yeah, I got to bag them up because otherwise my wonderful little puppy is going to destroy them. And I don't want him to destroy them because then Mom will be very, very mad. And I yell at him enough. I don't like constantly yelling at him. I have gone from yelling at him all the time to now I take a spray bottle and I spray him with water and then he gets mad because he gets all wet. It's kind of funny. But it's better than spanking him all the time. Now, I do spank him when he goes to the bathroom on my floor. Because he's being trained to go to the bathroom on pee pads, disposable pee pads. So that way, you know, I can just let him be out during the day and he can go to the bathroom. So I don't always have to take him out. Because he hasn't had all of his shots yet, so I don't want him to go outside as of yet without having his shots. So that way he doesn't get sick. Alright, give me a second. Let me put this up and I'll get right back to you with the other diamond painting. Be right back. Okay, I am back with the other diamond painting from Momo Art Factory Store. This is another square. It's a 30 by 40. And it is this sweet little bunny. I have not done any animals except for my big cat one that I did for my husband. And my, I think it's a firefly. We get the same toolkit, exactly the same. Nothing any different, no baggies, no, nothing. Okay, no biggie. This one's got 35 colors. There are no ABs, no specials, no nothing. I just got to find. Now, when you pull this tape, you gotta be careful, because I have seen, I don't know who it was, but there was a YouTubeist that opened one and the tape stuck to the canvas. So be careful. I don't think it was her doing. I don't think it had anything to do with her. I think it was just the way that it was. They roll these so tightly. It's not funny. So, like I said, I don't think it was her fault. I think that it was just that they rolled it so tight that it stuck. And it stuck so good to the canvas that it didn't want to come up. And these are done in sections, which is cool. I don't have a problem with it. It saves me from cutting the canvas or cutting the paper. The only time I would cut it is to make it into a square. But normally I just take it off completely and then put my own on. Hold on a second. Okay, sorry about that. I had to holler at my dog. So slowly take this off and bring it down. And I see a bubble. Let's see if I can get that bubble out. Oh, my fingers are sticking to it. It's very, very sticky. Very, very sticky. I'll bring you down so you can see the drill field. There we go. It's upside down. Sorry. I think it's pretty legible for me, at least. I do use a light pad, so I can see it. Oh, I don't understand why this does this. It's like I had it overlapped or something. And now I got it way too overlapped. There we go. It's a little better. Yeah, this one I'm gonna have to take all this off to set it right, because it's not coming out right. But if you guys like this video, like the content, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Oh no, see? It's stuck. I don't know if you guys saw that. Let's see. Go, go, go. Okay. Yeah, it's a little too, let me see here. Ow. Those are sharp. Yeah, the double-sided tape started to come up. There we go. Okay. Here we go. I'll do the still sideways. Here we go. I'll do it this way. There we go. We got some color blocking, but not a whole lot. This is really confetti. It's got a lot of, in a small spot, it's got lots of colors. Not major confetti. You know, like right there in the middle of the flower, it's got like 3 different shades of yellow. We got white and off, well, not white, but off-white, 2 or 3 different shades of off-white. We got black. I want to call this one right here. Let's see. These right here, I call rabbit ears. Because those remind me of the old TVs that we used to have back when I was a kid. We'd have to use rabbit ears